It was an honor, of course. I'm very pleased that I was selected for that. And I was really excited to get involved with something that would be really beneficial for my career development, because it's something I can put on my resume, and it also gives me really good experience for when I'm trying to decide what I do want to pursue when I graduate. So I was in Professor Song biomechanics class last semester, and she offered extra credit to come volunteer as a subject in the lab. And then she also had expressed interest for the students in her class, if they wanted to be a part of research, that they could come try to be a part of it in this lab. And so I was like, okay, I should probably go volunteer, because then she might let me in her lab. And so then I did that, and Professor Song mentioned that there was an Undergraduate Research Award that I could apply for, and I was like, sure, sounds good. This research project, it explores the effect of trunk perturbation on ACL loading mechanisms in the knee. With this study, what we're doing is we are attaching strings to the participant at their shoulder region, and what we're doing is they will be jumping in the air off of 2 feet. They're landing on a predetermined foot. It's random for the subjects and what order the subjects go in. And so when they jump in the air, they're going to be pulled backwards in a direction. They're not aware of which direction they're going to be pulled. And then when they land on 1 foot, we're trying to look at ACL loading mechanisms and what stresses are being put on the ACL when they're either being pulled ipsilaterally or contralaterally relative to their landing leg. We're trying to learn about ACL injury mechanisms, because that's a really common injury, especially for athletes. And so when we learn more about that, we can learn more about ACL prevention and screening for ACL injuries. I think it's really cool because I am getting experience about learning how to do research, it is so important, just because all of the things that I'm learning in school, a lot of the science-based things at least, we discovered these things through research, and so if I'm able to participate in research and conduct it, then maybe I can discover things that could be taught in schools one day.